Hi everyone, I'm Ben Harris, CEO and co-founder of Drop, the company behind the KitchenOS, the neutral cross-branded platform for the smart kitchen. Since we founded the company back in 2012, our vision has always been to spread the love of home cooking by making it effortless and rewarding. And that's why we're creating an experience that makes home cooking the easy choice, the first choice for people instead of ordering takeout or reheating pre-made meals. Now we're partnering with the biggest kitchen appliance brands in the world to realize this vision. Today, the KitchenOS platform powers hundreds of different kitchen appliance models, everything from stand mixers, pressure cookers, and double ovens. Today, appliances have to be more than just hardware, and connecting them to an app doesn't necessarily create the utility, magic, or joy that consumers are looking for. It doesn't deliver value. The kitchen has been unfortunately left out of a lot of the joyful experiences that smart TVs or thermostats have offered to consumers, but that's why Drop are here. The connected kitchen needs to offer the value we've seen in the connected home more broadly. Lights can be turned on, TVs as well, just with one brand, but they just have to connect and accomplish individual tasks. But the kitchen is a place where these brands have to work together to accomplish a single goal, and this is why a neutral platform like the KitchenOS is the only way forward, especially when we know that the average person has multiple brands in their kitchen. Drop ensures that the home cook never feels this friction moving from one appliance to another, and seeing that connected by Drop trustmark means that we're delivering, and that appliance partner is delivering, an industry-leading software stack, enterprise-grade security, underneath the hood. Top appliance brands use our trust mark to signal an effortless experience for connected guided cooking on top of it as well. Drop is a design-led company that believes solving problems comes first, from aesthetics to function. We pair the best hardware on the market with delightful software experiences that create an integrated user interface that ensures great results every time. Our vision is to spread the love of home cooking by making it effortless and rewarding. Eating home-cooked food feeds the soul, and in these deep-rooted moments, people connect, bond, and get inner happiness. By combining recipes and appliances with food science and a sprinkling of machine learning into a delightful user experience, we're making perfect cooking simple and spreading that joy across the world. We understand what it takes to build connectivity into hardware that has real impact and delivers real value. Being connected by Drop gives you the edge in the smart kitchen. Reach out to us here to hear more.